Mr. Chairman, I am glad to have this opportunity to express my opinion on the governor's address. I think it is one of the best documents ever produced. It is very clear, and if I may say so, it is a quite concise statement of what has been done already and what is proposed to be done. I am happy about the emphasis laid on the need for greater development of power and for more irrigation schemes on the whole. These facilities, which are needed for development, have all been stressed in the governor's address. I am not happy merely because I am an industrialist. I am happy because this is bound to increase both agricultural and industrial production in this state and contribute to general prosperity. I like the particular emphasis on a larger number of small hydroelectric projects over which a great deal of doubt has been expressed in the recent past by many people, and I hope the government will continue the policy of making use of all the available hydel sources in the state. It is good that there is emphasis on minor irrigation schemes, and in this connection, I would suggest that if possible, we should make all the rivers the federal property of this country. I hope and trust that it will be possible for us to vest all river properties and rights in the union list so that one authority may be able to take decisions about the maximum utilization of water power. Then I want to say a few words about traffic. Traffic has been increasing in Chennai city to a great extent. I think the government must think of getting central aid, and they must see that almost all the level crossings are bridged up. Recently, they have taken up one road in Chetput. This is also not being pushed through as quickly as it ought to have been. Anyhow, I am sure that the government will bear in mind these things and take quick action as regards drinking water supply schemes. I see that even though the department was enlarged and more staff appointed, a larger number of water supply schemes have not been pushed through. In the same way, there is need to pay attention to slum improvement. I hope the government will do the needful. With these words, I conclude my speech. Letter from Somu and Company, Adayar, to the Secretary, Nagar Employees Cooperative Society, Egmore. Dear Sir, we understand that your Society has purchased some plots to construct 100 flats for your members. In this connection, we trust that you would have heard of our firm and the high reputation that we enjoy. We have a reputation and standing of over 50 years. We undertake all kinds of building work, but we specialize in house construction. We enclose the latest type designs together with a pamphlet containing our terms and conditions. If necessary, we shall be prepared to furnish further particulars if you consider it necessary. We shall send our representative to meet you on any day convenient to you. We shall make any changes in design that you may consider desirable. We hope to hear from you at a very early date so that we may proceed with further action in this regard as soon as possible. Yours faithfully.
வெயிட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், ஒன் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட். சில வேர்ட்ஸ்லாம் உங்களுக்கு டைமிங்கில் எழுத வரலையா? இந்த ஸ்பீடில் இருக்கிற ஆட் வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் தனியாக எடுத்து ஒரு டிக்டேஷன் வீடியோ ரெடி பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அந்த டிக்டேஷனை அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு இந்த ஸ்பீட் அட்டன் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். அந்த வீடியோட லிங்க் வந்து டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது, மறக்காமல் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. டிக்டேஷன் வீடியோவோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் சொல்லுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். செய்யற்கரிய செய்வார், பெரியர் சிறியர், செய்யற்கரிய செய்கலாதார். செய்யற்கரிய அருமையான செயல்களை செய்ய வல்லவரே பெரியோர். செய்வதற்கு அரிய செயல்களை செய்ய மாட்டாதவர் சிறியோர்.